You ever been stuck in the middle of nowhere with no cell phone service, butt ass naked? Nation, can I tell you a story? Can I tell you a story? It don't matter if I can or not. I'm gonna tell it to you any damn way. About 4 to 5 years ago, I think I'm gonna go with 5 years ago. That way you don't judge me too much, because I was much younger, young and dumb.
Hey, bro, no matter how old you was, they about to judge you like an all-white Jerry.
Shut up, bro. Don't be interrupting my stories, man. Don't start that. You sit there and keep drinking your little drink. And instead of a White Claw, I had this little cleaning gig. The people would go onto an app, order the service. I would drive to their little house or apartment and clean it. It's kind of like Uber, but instead of driving, you clean it.
Bruh, did you just compare cleaning somebody's booty sweat to a person that just sit there and drive? That's like comparing cleaning somebody's booty sweat to driving somebody. Them shits is completely different.
On the particular day that we are talking about, I had 2 cleaning jobs. One in downtown LA and one in butt-fuck Egypt, because I still don't know where I was at. To this day. Till this day. I just had to do that one time. I couldn't tell you where I was at. A bunch of fields and cotton. Low-key think it might have been Klan country. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, you getting off topic, bruh.
This is a hard story to tell. So I'm at my first job in this apartment in downtown, when all of a sudden, my stomach starts bubbling.
Oh, shit.
The client's there getting ready for work, so I can't use her bathroom. And then I remember the next client in butt-fuck Egypt ain't gonna be there, so I'm good. I'll just hold it.
Stop lying. Why you ain't taking shit in her bathroom? Because she was bad than a motherfucker. Huh?
Oh, that ain't had nothing to do with it. I mean, she was bad. So I finished cleaning the apartment and rush off. Not before I made sure it was 5-star worthy though. I need my 5 stars. More stars, more money. You know what I'm saying? I digress. 20 minutes and a mountain later, I reached my next destination. I parked on the side of the road beside one of those rails to keep you from running off the side of a cliff on those nights that you drive home drunk because you can't afford an Uber. That's just me.
Hell no, you ain't the only one. That's a nightly occurrence, you feel me?
Man, shut up, you ain't even got no damn cop. So I grabbed my cleaning supplies and I head towards the house. Now we up on this huge mountain, right? And I go down just a little bit and I get to these steps. I count about 10 of them bitches. I gotta go down the steps. I take that first step, ooh! Oh shit. Ah! Felt like Mike Tyson hit me in the gut. I think it was one of those things, the closer you get to the toilet, the worse you gotta go. Yeah, oof. Step by step, I make my way down. I'm sweating bullets at this point. Finally get to the door, and now I slowly bend down to grab that mat to get the key. One false move and this shit is over. As I go to put the key in the door, slowly turning, you know, I'm squeezing my cheeks. Perry dog, it wasn't even Perry dog peek out. This was about to be a flood of epic proportion. It's like my cheeks was the Red Sea and the stuff that was about to come out was Moses. That is a horrible reference. I probably need to edit that out. As I'm turning the key, the door busts open. Woo-wee! And there's a man standing there with no shirt on. And he says, "We've been expecting you." Oh, fuck. Nation, y'all remember I said one false move and this shit was over? Bitch, this is not a drill! I'm looking this grown man in his eyeballs as deuteria slides down my butt cheeks. I'm too old for this shit, man. I need a minute. I need to make a... Set the camera off.
Get out of here. See that door? Don't get too excited. Don't get too excited. Just slowly walk down these stairs. Hey, why you so loud, little bitch?
So I managed to regain some of my composure. I don't know how much composure you can regain after shitting on yourself in front of another grown man, looking him dead in his eyes, but I managed to regain a piece of it. As much as I could. I looked past the guy. "Oh, I didn't notice you had carpet. I left my vacuum cleaner in the car. I'll be right back." He says, "No problem." So now I gotta go up these stairs. Each step, gravity is working harder than a motherfucker. It's taking it from my butt cheeks, to my thigh, to my boxer briefs, to the inseam of my dickies. I'm good. I make it to the top of the car. But by that time, the deuteria has almost reached my calf muscles. So what do? What any logical human being would do in this moment. I strip down, butt ass naked, throw all my clothes off the side of the mountain where I park my car, and I baby wipe myself. I always keep some baby wipes in your car. You never know when you might shit on yourself, okay?
Bro, you mean to tell me you on the side of a mountain, butt ass naked and shitty?
Yeah, pretty much. Silver lining though, I ain't had to shit no more.
I just would've went the fuck home. Fuck all that. Ain't nobody got time for that shit.
Now see, I thought about that, but I left all my cleaning supplies down at the guy's house. I gotta go back. Now remember, I'm in the middle of butt nowhere, right? I don't know what the nearest store is. I need some clothes. So I hop on the phone, right? Boom, I ain't got no damn service. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I know one thing, I can't keep standing here butt ass naked. So I go to my trunk and I have some of those little blue cleaning towels. I made a little skirt. As I'm making my skirt out of the little blue towels, a car passes by, stops, and backs up. I don't know about you, but let me tell you something, nation. If I see a 6'2" black man on the side of a mountain, butt ass naked, I'm turning the fuck around.
Dog, if I see any naked man on the side of a mountain, I'm running his bitch ass over, no questions asked.
Yeah, me too. This guy stops, asked me if I needed any help. I told him what happened. It was embarrassing, but I needed help. The guy says if you go down the mountain, you're running to the highway. Once you hit that highway, your service will pop right back on. And there should be a clothing store somewhere around there. I throw some paper towels down in the driver's seat and I set off to find me some new drawers. Once I get to the bottom of the mountain, service pops right back on. The guy was right. And I GPS, and there was a clothing store 5 minutes down the road. My client had texted, asked if everything was okay. I said, yeah, everything's cool. I just realized I needed more supplies, so I'm running to the store. I'll be right back. 10 minutes top. I finally reach a store. It's a thrift store. Now, my first thought was, I don't want to put nobody's secondhand clothes on my bare balls. But then I thought about it and I was like, well, you know what? My balls already shitty anyway, you know what I'm saying? I walk in the store, I'm immediately greeted by the cashier. He's the only person in the store at the time. I think he wanted to make sure I wasn't on drugs. But once he found out that I was no threat to him, he's like, man, looks like you're having a rough day, buddy. No, I'm having a shitty day. Bitch, can you help me find some clothes, please? People always got jokes. Fuck. After a lot of slick ass comments by this cashier, he's lucky I'm a Christian man or I would have whooped his ass. I'm lying, I wouldn't have did that. I was already having a shitty day. Didn't need to end up in prison on top of that. So he finally rings me up, I get dressed. I get back to the job, walk down the stairs, grab my cleaning supplies, and knock on the door. The guy answers, he's like, oh, welcome back, man. Hope everything worked out well. Yeah. Everything worked out cool. Player, why you in the towel? This dude is wrapped in a towel. Not even wrapped in the towel, just got it hanging. I can see his whole ass butt cheek from the front. It would be just my luck to make it even shittier if he rips off that towel while I'm bent over cleaning out the inside of his tub, busts me upside my head, and takes my cheeks. I ain't into that funny shit, man. He can at least ask first. The whole time I'm in the bathroom cleaning, I'm like, do I smell like shit? So I start spraying on his cologne, his Axe body spray. I gotta get rid of this shitty smell. When all of a sudden I hear one scream. This wasn't no in pain scream, terrified scream. This was that scream that started to pitch a tent in my britches. I understand why he was in that towel. He in the next room beating the brakes off some pussy.
What you do, bro?
I finished the course, but before I finished, I prayed.
You prayed?
I prayed he wasn't a minute man, because I'm about to take a shower and see them titties before I go.
You know you want to. Just do it. Join the nation. Subscribe!